Hey friends, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you've joined me today. We are in the craft room today and I have a product review for you. I received a set of thread from Oeko-Tex and you can get these on Amazon. It's really fun because in one box you get a ton of different colors of thread. Now this is a 4-ply polyester thread. So if you're doing a lot of hand sewing and you prefer cotton thread, just keep that in mind. This is a 4-ply polyester. But for me, all of these colors are in there. You get the bobbins and the spools. And when I'm doing my applique, I honestly use a dual duty more than anything else. So this polyester thread is going to be exactly right up my alley on what I need to complete my next applique project. And speaking of applique projects, stay tuned to the channel because my next one is coming up very soon. And if you are a Lori Holt fan like me and you've collected all those So Simple shape sets, you will want to stay tuned for sure because I have got such a fun project coming up for you. I'm going to be using a bunch of Oeko-Tex fabrics from the incandescent line, and we're going to be making 12 different baskets for our applique quilt. I'm super excited about it. This project is not going to be one that will be done overnight because, like I said, there are 12 of those baskets, but it will definitely be one that you will love and cherish for years to come. Now, let's talk a little bit more about this 36 color sewing thread set. Can you believe that? 36 colors. And like I said, you do get the spools and the bobbins. So I don't know if you match your bobbin color to your top thread color. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Usually I don't because I don't have a matching bobbin color to weighing around to match it with. Another reason why it may be fun to have all these different colored bobbins is maybe you're doing a little bag or something and you want each side to be a different color. So maybe you're doing a reversible tote, kind of like you saw in the Ghostly Soiree. And maybe you want one side of the thread to be purple and one side to be orange. You could definitely do that with all of these gorgeous color bobbins that come in with this 36 spool thread color set. So go check it out. I love the little flyer they put in with this. It talks about their mission and their outlook as a company, and I love that they are really trying to be sustainable as possible. They use a lot of recycled materials and they are very environmentally conscious. So check it out, link is below, and go get yourself your own very cool, pretty set of 36 colors of sewing threads. Remember, 4-ply polyester, not cotton. So if you're looking for cotton, this is not your jam. But if you're like me and you like using polyester on applique, then this may be right up your alley. Until next time, find joy in all you do. Carve out some time for crafting and creating. And remember, it's always better when you make stuff up.